Good morning, grade 8. Our lesson today, linear relation between two variables. In our lesson today, we will recognize the relation between two variables of first degree and represent the relation between two variables of the first degree graphically. The third, we will solve exercise about how to find the point that satisfies the relation. The definition is a relation between two variables x and y of the first degree, which means ax plus by equals c, and a, b, c belong to R, and a and b not equal 0 together. For example, 2x plus y equals 5 and 3x minus 2y equals 6. Any linear relation has infinite number of order pair which satisfy the relation. Question 1.3 order pairs that satisfy each of the following relation. Letter A, 3x plus y equals 4. Here in this question, we will let any three numbers for x and satisfy this value in the equation to get the value of y. Here, let x equal 0. The first step, we will substitute the value of x by 0 in the equation here. 3x plus y equal 4. It will be 3 times 0 plus y equal 4. Here, 3 times 0 equals 0. So y equal 4. Here y equal 4. So the order pair will be 0 and 4. And this order pair will satisfy the relation. Let another number, let x equal 1. Here, we will substitute the value x by 1. So it will be 3 times 1 plus y. Here, 3 times 1 equals 3. So 3 plus y equals 4. To get the value of y, we will move 3 to the other side with different signs. So it will be 4 minus 3 equals 1. So here the order pair will be 1 and 1. And we will know that 1 and 1 or this order pair will satisfy the relation. Letter B, x plus 2y equals 7. Here we will let the value of x equal 1 and substitute the value x equal 1 in the relation. So it will be 1 plus 2y equals 7. Here we will move 1 to the other side with different sign. Here 1 is positive. We will move to the other side by negative. So here 2y equals 7 minus 1. So 2y equals 6. To get the value of y, we will move 2 to the other side with different sign. Here means 2 times y. To move 2 to the other side with different sign, it will be divided. So y equals 6 divided 2 equals 3. So this order pair is 1 and 3. Leave the value of x equals 3. Why substitute the value x equals 3 in this relation? So 3 plus 2y equals 7. As we learn, we will move 3 to the other side with different sign. Mean by minus. So 2y equals 7 minus 3. 2y equals 4. To get the value of 4, it will be, sorry, the value of y, it will be 4 divided 2 equals 2. So this order pair will be 3 and 2. Question 2. Determine which of the following order pair 0 and 5, 1 and 5, 2 and 3, and negative 1 and 4 satisfies the relation 2x plus y equals 7. The first order pair 0 and 5. So I will substitute the value of x equals 0 and the value of y, which is 5, in the relation. So here in the relation 2x plus y equals 7, it means 2 times 0 plus 5 equals 7, as shown here. So 2 times 0 plus 5 equals 5. 2 times 0 means or equal 0. So 0 plus 5 equals 5. This means that 5 not equals the result 7. So I can say that the point 0 and 5 not satisfy the relation. Again, this question, we will substitute in the relation here 2x plus y equals 7 by this point, the value of x equals 0 and the value of y equals 5. So here 2 times 0 plus 5 equals 5. 2 times 0 equals 0. So 5 equals 5, not equal 7, not equal the value or the result here. So I can say that 0 and 5 not satisfy the relation. Let's look at the second order pair 1 and 5. I will here substitute the value x by 1 and the value of y by 5. So 2 times 1 plus 5. Here 2 times 1 equal 2 plus 5 equal 7. I see that the right hand side equals the left hand side. So I can say that the order pair 1 and 5 satisfy the relation. Here's the third order pair 2 and 3. As we learn, we will substitute the value of x by 2 and substitute the value of y by 3. So it will be 2 times 2 plus 3, again 2 times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So here's the value of 7 and here's the value of 7. So I can say that the order pair 2 and 3 satisfies the relation. Negative 1 and 4. So I can say that 2 times negative 1 plus 4. 2 times negative 1 equals negative 2 plus 4. Negative 2 plus 4 equals 2. So here's the result is 2 and here's the result is 7. So I can say that this order pair satisfies the relation. So the order pair negative 1 and 4 not satisfies the relation. Question 3. He asks here if the order pair negative 1 and 4 satisfies the relation 3x, no, if negative 1 and 4 satisfies the relation 3x plus b equals 13. Find the value of here I have order pairs that satisfy the relation. So here I can substitute the value of x with negative 1 and substitute the value of y by 4. So I can say that 3 times negative 1 plus 4 times b equals 13. Again, I will substitute the value of x by negative 1 and the value of y by 2. So I can say that 3 times negative 1 plus 4 times b equals 13. 3 times negative 1 equals negative 3 plus 4b equals 13. Here I need the variable alone in the side. So I will move negative 3 to the other side with different sign. Here 3 was negative sign, so it will move with positive sign. So 4b equals 13 plus 3. So that 4b equals 15. Here to get the value of b, I will make 16 divided 4, which equal 4. So the value of B equal 4. Question 4. If the order pair 2k and 3k satisfies the relation x plus y equals 15, find the value of k. Here, I will substitute the value of x by 2k and the value of y by 3k. So, it will be 2k plus 3k equals 15. Then I will add 2k plus 3k, which equal 5k. So I can say that 5k equals 15. Let's get the value of k. It will be 15 divided 5, which equals 3. Let's learn how to get the graphical representation of the linear relation. Here, to represent graphically the relation 3x plus y equal 4. Here, let the value of x equal 2. So I will substitute here the value of x by 0. So 3 times 0 plus y equal 0 plus y equal 4. So here y equal 4. So this order pair will be 0 and 4. Here, to represent the straight line of this equation, the first I will need to get the 3-point or the 3-order pair. I will get the first one. Let's get the second. Let the value of x equal 1. So I will substitute the value of x by 1. It will be 3 times 1 equal y. So it will be 3 plus y equal 4. Again, 3 plus y equal 4. So to get the value of y, it will be 4 minus 3 equal 1. So this order pair will be 1 and 1. The third order pair, I will let x equal 2. So it will be 2 times 3 plus y. It will be 6 plus y equal 4. So y will be 2 or negative 2. So it will be negative 2. So this order pair will be 2 and negative 2. You can put any number of x you want to get any order pair. Let's represent it. The first order pair 0 and 4. We know that 0 in the first projection mean x and 4 in the second projection mean y. So here I will go to the point 0 and on x-axis and up to the number 4 on y-axis. This is the point. The second point will be 1 and 1. So I will go to the number 1 on x-axis and up to the number 1 on y-axis. The third point 2 and negative 2. Here 2 and down because negative 2 is the negative 4. So I will down to negative 2. This is then match these 3 points. So this is the representation of the relation 3x plus y equal to 1. Another example. Represent graphically the relation 2x minus y equals 3. Let x equal 0. So it will be 2 times 0 minus y equals 3. So negative y equals 3. Divide the 2 term by negative 1, so y equal negative 3. So this order pair will be 0 and negative 3. So with the second order pair, let x equal 1. and substitute in the relation. So it will be 2 times 1 minus y equal 3. So it will be 2 minus y equal 3. So here y will be negative 1. So this order pair will be 1 and negative 1. Third, let's x equal to, I will substitute in the relation by x equal 2, so it will be 2 times 2 equals 4, 4 minus y equals 3, so that y equal 1. Again, let the value of x equal 0 by substituting the relation, so it will be 2 times 0 minus y equals 3, so it will be 0 minus y equals 3. I need the positive value. I will multiply the two sides by negative 1. So negative y will be y and this will be negative 3. So this order here will be 0 and negative 3. To get the second order pair, we will let the value of x equal 1 and substituting the relation. So it will be 2 times 1 minus y equals 3. 2 times 1 equals 2 minus y equals 3. So 2 minus y equals 3. So y here equals negative 1. So the order pair I have 1 and negative 1. To get the third order pair, I will let the value of x equal 2. So it will be 2 times 2 minus y equals 3. It will be 4 minus y equals 3. So here y equals 1. So the third order pair I have equal 2 and 1. Let's represent on the coordinates. The first point 0 and negative 3. So here 0 and down to negative 3. This is the first point. The second point 1 and negative 1. So it will be 1 and negative 1 in this place. The third point 2 and 1. Here 2 and up to 1. The last step we will match the 3 points. So the straight line represents the relation 2x minus y. Mark. In the linear relation ax plus by equals c, letter A, if a equals 0, then the relation form is by equals c and represented by a straight line parallel to x-axis and cut y-axis as the point 0 and c over p. For example, 2y equals 6. Letter B, the relation y equals 0 is represented by x-axis. Letter C, if b equals 0, then the relation form is ax equals c and it's represented by a straight line parallel to x-axis and cut y-axis as the point c over a and 0. As the following example, 3x equals 6. Letter D, the relation x equals 0 is represented by y-axis. Here, if c equals 0, then the relation form is ax plus by equals 0 and represented by a straight line passing through the origin point 0 and 0. Thank you.